Okay, you can introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Eunee Kim.
Hi, I'm Gina. And when was the last time we made our video? Do you remember?
I think it was last year.
So 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are recreating that video again, and today we're gonna make the same brownies, right?
Yeah.
Same thing. So we have all our ingredients up here. What do we have?
Avocado oil. Then this avocado oil with the spray. For this, I have a 1/4 cup and a 1/3 cup, 1 egg, and a walnut and a bag. So after we put some walnuts in here, we could just do that to smash it. And then we have the brownie mix. It's double chocolate. And then we have this mixer.
Whisk.
Yeah, whisk.
Oh, there's a bug! There's a bug!
Then we have this, what's it called?
It's a pan.
Oh yeah, it's a pan.
So we have everything ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's the first thing we need to do? I'm gonna open this.
Open this. First, we have to preheat the oven
to
325 Fahrenheit.
Okay, let's go. Alright, and then
So
what's the next step?
Preheat the oven. Prepare a baking pan by lightly greasing or spraying with non-stick cooking spray.
Okay. Also, I'm hands off for this video, so I think she can do it by herself.
Okay, you do that and then wipe it.
You do what you want. Oh, did you shake that? That's a lot!
I always do a lot of
Okay. Okay.
except for the things I don't like.
Okay. Make sure you get the sides. I think that's good. What do you think?
Good.
Ooh.
I should do it right away.
What's next?
And then place water, oil, and egg in the bowl.
Okay.
Stir.
Where's the lid for that?
What?
This.
Oh, this? I don't know.
Where'd you put it?
I don't know.
It's right there.
Oh.
The water.
What? 1/4 of water. I'm trying not to spill. Okay.
Oh. Or
4. Oh, it's okay. Then a 1/3 cup of oil.
okay. I'm not reading the instructions, so if you're wrong, I have no idea.
3 hours later.
A little bit to go.
No, I might spill.
Well, hold it over and then pour it. Hold this with your left hand. Yeah, and then pour it with your right hand. Over. Good?
Yeah.
I think that's good. Okay.
And then, the egg. Then an egg. Can you do it for me?
Oh, you want me to do it for you? Okay.
Yeah, because I am afraid the piece of it might go in.
Okay.
I'm really bad at doing the egg.
Okay.
And
Is that enough?
I think so.
Are you sure?
Maybe I should do a little more.
What does the audience think? Looks pretty good.
Yeah? Can you hold this?
Sure. Like this?
Yeah. Or you could just hold it. Now we have to add the brownie mix.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah. We're gonna pour all of it, right?
Is that what the instructions says?
Yeah.
Okay. The hole could be a little bigger next time. Okay. Seems like it's coming out okay. Why is it taking so long?
And then I have to mix
Oh,
it.
it smells so good.
Oh yeah, it does. Because it's chocolate.
I do like chocolate.
I always beat some.
I know. I know. Can you show? Can you show the camera? Stop here and do the walnuts now.
Sure.
Oh, don't swing. The scissors. We don't have a masher thingy, so we're just gonna
Yeah, my dad gave these this idea.
use that plastic bag. Is this enough?
I think so. We could do more
What do you want?
later.
What are you gonna use to mash it?
I could use my hand.
Are you sure? Doesn't it hurt?
No, well, it only hurts a little. Should I just pour it all in?
Sure. What do you think? Is it good? You want more?
Maybe you could add some later. Actually, let's do a little more with this. Give me a feedback. How am I doing?
Right now or out of everything?
Everything.
I think 8.5 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Okay, so that's very good. It's like 99.9%.
Sure.
Good. Remember in the other video you made like kind of faces?
When?
Other video, like 2 years ago.
Can you make it again?
No, it was
The face?
You or
Make
like
the face.
like that.
I don't know that. How's it look? Pretty good?
Yeah.
You want to put it in here now?
Sure. Is it oily?
So, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You oiled it in the beginning.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're right-handed, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go this way. I'll go on your left.
Okay.
Whee!
It's chocolate.
It basically is. Dang. We're too hot.
Yeah, we're too hot. We're boiling, and then the beep 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 kind of sound got on. We're too hot.
I was saying that we're so good looking. So hot. So hot.
Do it with a joke.
So hot.
So hot.
Let me get the rest. I saw that.
Bake for 33 to 48 minutes.
Okay.
I'm sorry, we forgot to add the walnuts on the top.
Ooh. That's good. How about that?
So I'm gonna eat.
Can you open the oven for me though? We're gonna cook it for 43 minutes and then we'll be back. Cleanup time. We didn't really make that much of a mess, but still. He's gonna do the dishes. I don't know why. But she wanted to wash the...
Because we made it. A surprise birthday party?
Yeah.
3:28 a.m.
Here's the brownie. Okay, put a toothpick in. If it comes out clean, then it's done. In the middle, in the middle. Watch your finger. You're gonna go all the way to the bottom. Okay, it's good. We're gonna take a bite. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
But it's past your bedtime.
Okay.
So who?
Me.
We changed because we got ready for bed because it's, what time is it?
I think it was like 10, 9?
It's quite late,
Yeah.
but
it's
we're gonna
9.
eat it anyway.
What time is
Just
it?
one bite.
10, 11.
Oh, it's past your bedtime.
Okay. So we waited 10 minutes and now it's kind of cool.
Oh, it's so hot.
Yeah, kind of. So we got a bowl, a knife, and 2 forks, and we're gonna try it.
Yeah, let's not eat that much. We're just gonna cut this little bit of brownie. What do you think?
Very good.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? better than last time?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you cut it better.
When?
And my English is better.
I cut what better?
This is better.
We're eating so much, but it's too late, so we can't eat it all today.
Yeah.
We'll eat some tomorrow.
Yeah, after we go to San Francisco. Maybe.
We're not going.
Yeah, but still me. Because not only you are going.
You're not going though.
Yeah.
So it's not we, it's
Oh, yeah.
you. Right.
Yeah.
You can say bye to the camera.
Bye,
Until next
everybody.
time. Bye.
This is very good.